Ozuna down the right field line. The wind is blowing it, and it blows it all the way into the seats. So we've seen the wind do a few things. It's blown pop flies into the grandstand. That fly ball probably stays fair.
The Marlins fan, the fan had it. He dropped it. He's upset. Nate Scherholz is kind enough to toss it back to the seats.
And the Marlin fan
gets the ball from Scherholz. And it goes, here, buddy. It's all yours. Look at that. Look at that.
Now, if they're not buying him beers for the rest of the game, there's something wrong. The Marlin fan.
Yeah, good job. See, a good example for his son.
Oh, now wait a minute. Now he's coming back down. And look, he's going to give it to the little boy.
Oh, now that's even better.
This is the story that just keeps on giving.
One good deed deserves another.
Do you think the kid will give it to his sister?
No. It's mine now.
Two very kind gestures.
Greg Gibson, the home plate umpire, motioning to both players. And the Dodgers celebrating in their dugout.
That's into the right field corner. Robinson, nice catch for out number one.
Well, I am a wizard from the future.
Boom. I'm a real doctor.
If you had your walk-up music created, who would compose it and or sing it, and what kind of music would it be?
You know what? That's a good question.